4-0. Number 18, 4-3. No good, nakuha ni Dari. Pass to Garcia. Garcia 4-3. No good, nakuha ni Depao. Nilabas ang bola, dribbling the ball. Tapico 4-2. No good, nakuha ni Garcia. Pass to number 13. Number 13 naman is 2 points. 6-0 na tayo. 6-0. Tapico pass to number number 2, no good. Cancino, pass to Garcia. Garcia 4-2, easy 2 points. 8-0, favor of Shugi. Number 16, Kumaldag. No good, nakuha ni Tapico. Tapico, nakawalain ng at easy 2 points kay Tapico. Garcia pass to Darren 4-2. Easy 2 points by Santos. Tapico pass to Nike. Idol, dribbling the ball, setting a play. Idol, dribbling the ball. Pass to Rock, number 16. 2-1. Santos pass to Oncinco. Santos again. Pass to Oncinco. Nawala ang bola, nakuha ni Garcia. Garcia 12 second shot na. Garcia nakawala. Pass to Santos. Santos 4-2. No good. Nakuha ni Idol. Pass to Tapico. Tapico setting a play. Tapico dribbling the ball. Tapico pass to number 16. Pass to number 2. Pull up for no good. Nakuha ni number 16. Number 16, pumigay ng easy 2 points. Paalam mo, Idol. Cancino, pass to Garcia. Garcia dribbling the ball. Garcia, umigot. Garcia dribbling the ball. 5 second shot ng Garcia. Pass to Santos. Double ang tawag ng Rebel. Tapico, pass to Brigas. Cancino pass to Garcia. Garcia nakawala. Garcia nakuha nino. Garcia again. Pass to Santos. Pull up for 2. No good. Garcia. Pass to Cancino. Cancino umikot. Nakawala. No good. Nakuha Tapico ng at easy 2 points. Tapico. Santos ang mag-iimbot ng bola. Santos to Garcia. Garcia 12 second shot na. Garcia setting a play. Paso Cancino. Cancino kumaldagin ng DC 2 points by Cancino. Priagas nakawalay ng at no good. Nakuha ni Priagas again. Nakuha ni Santos 4-3. No good, nakuha ni Garcia. Garcia 4-3. No good, nakuha ni Rascha. Tapico, setting a play. Tapico pass to Braga. Priagas, pass to Ross. Santos pass to Cancino. No good, nakuha ni Briagas. Briagas dribbling the ball. Briagas nilaya. No good. Ribong Belrasta, no good. Basket yan. By number 16. Cross shot. Getting a play. Garcia 12. Second shot ng Garcia. Nawala. Bola nakuha ni Santos. Santos pass to Garcia. Garcia in ang mat. No good pa rin. Rebound by Santos. Santos pull up for 2. No good. Garcia again. Garcia reverse. No good. Garcia again. No good. Rebound by Santos. Santos 12 second shot na. Santos for no good. Rebound by Ruscha. Ruscha dribbling the ball. 9 second shot ng Ruscha. Dribbling the ball. 8 second shot na. Priagas. Nakuha ni Cancino. Cancino. Pass to Santos. Santos floater. No good. Nakuha ni Priagas. Priagas silabas ang bola. Nakuha ni Cancino. Cancino pass to Santos. Pass to Garcia. Garcia nilabas ang bola. 5 second shot na. Garcia. Foul.